Vaccination by Joseph Lee. What is vaccination? Vaccination means to treat with the vaccine to produce immunity against a specific disease. The vaccine helps to boost your immune system to work more efficiently in fighting off diseases. However, the effects of vaccine may not continue forever and will be needed to take a shot every couple of years. How does it work? Most vaccines contain an agent that resembles a disease-causing microorganism that is weak or dead. The microorganisms will stimulate the immune systems to produce antibodies to fight off these diseases. After the antibody kills the dead microorganism, it remembers the disease of the microorganism. After you receive the vaccination, your antibodies will then recognize an identical or similar microorganism that you killed, and when it enters the body, it will have a better chance in killing off the disease. Vaccinations may be administered by syringe, which are needles, and intradermal injections, which you inject needles into tissues, and a nasal spray, which you vaccinate, which is a vaccination that is administered through your nose. The importance of vaccination. It is always better to prevent diseases than treat the disease, because by getting vaccinated, you will possibly never experience the deadly disease. But experiencing the disease may lead to death, which is a very high risk and stresses the importance of getting vaccination. In 2002, WHO estimated that 1.4 million of deaths of children under 5 years were due to diseases that could have been prevented by routine vaccination. Ladies and gentlemen, we are exposed in an environmental society that contains thousands of bacteria or viruses that have the potential of causing diseases, and many of them can be prevented by vaccination. However, this does not mean that it will 100% prevent diseases. Advantages of parents having their child vaccinated. Children have weaker immune systems compared to adults, which makes children have a higher possibility in catching diseases because their immune systems aren't as strong yet as adults. Vaccination will help children to prevent deadly diseases that may occur during their life. This is why having vaccination for children is important, because they have weak immune systems. Recommended vaccinations that children should take in Korea. HEPV protects against hepatitis. DTaP, a combined vaccine that protects against diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. HIB protects against Haemophilus influenza type B. PCV protects against pneumococcal disease. Polio protects against polio. The vaccine is also known as IPV. RV protects against infections caused by rotavirus. Influenza protects against influenza, which are also known as flus. MMR protects against measles, mumps, and rubella, which are also known as German measles. Varicella protects against varicella, however, it is also known as chickenpox, HEPA protects against hepatitis B, A. These vaccinations are recommended for babies that are more than 12 months old. Side effects of vaccines. The safety of vaccines are not 100% sure, and the side effects are also unknown. There may be mild side effects of vaccine like swelling, sores, itching, fever, headaches, tiredness, etc. However, these mild side effects usually go away after a while, so they do not cause a big problem to human life. However, there are some rare cases when severe side effects may occur, like fevers that go over 101 degrees, severe allergic reactions, coma, permanent brain damage, etc. Severe side effects may also lead to death if it is that severe, but it is very rare to experience one. What should parents do? I recommend parents to vaccinate their children. Although negative side effects do exist, the chance of experiencing a severe side effect is less than 2 per million, which is very low. There's almost no possibility of experiencing a negative side effect. Vaccination will also help children to grow healthy by preventing diseases. And that, as I mentioned before, it is better to prevent the diseases before it occurs. So, and also, since there's a very low possibility of experiencing a negative side effect, as a result, having a vaccination is more an advantage because you'll be healthy overall. And these are my citations. Thank you.